Hi guys! Ito ang konting handaan for welcoming 2025. Ayan, grill na isda, pritong, ano ba to? Ayan guys, spring roll, vegetable spring roll, all shrimps, king prawn, salad. Ayan guys, ayan ang Christmas tree. At ito pa ang dagdag guys. Ayan, lobsters. Oh my goodness. Saka dito tayo sa mga dessert guys. Ayan, soma na malagkit, ginataang bilo-bilo, puto kutsenta guys. Ayan. Of course, may photo tayo. So guys, balikan natin ang ating lamisa guys. Ayan. Napakasarap kumain at napakasarap kinamay pagdating ng ganito guys. Oh my goodness. Sarap ang lobster guys. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Ang laki nito guys, oh. Lobsters. Yummy, yummy. Oh, ihanda ninyo ang garlic nito. More on garlic. Kasi mostly seafoods ang pagkain namin ngayon guys. Oh my God, andito pa oh. Ginataan na alimango. Crab. So, balik na naman tayo at alaka. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and comments below. Bye bye.